see you patiently wait. Me too. I heard you. Stay alert, stay alive. Oh, we about to take off, Woody. A roof. First hit the park, I said, man, I don't get to see my hawk, I'm gonna see my falcon. I asked for a request by nature, I told y'all, man. Now I asked for abundance and other things that I ain't gonna disclose with this internet, social media, whatever the fuck this shit called. I'm out of nature, boy. What up, Woody? Speak to me. See the woodpecker, you wasn't paying any no attention. You know he don't want no smoke. He tending to that wood. See the Matrix motherfucker looking. Fucking Man in Black looking dude over there. I'm out of here, Woody. Catch me out in the sun, man. Thanks for letting me catch you. Thanks for coming and visit. See him? Yeah. Much respect. I'm being patient too, Woody. You hear them blackbirds? Y'all good. They know what's up with you. Peace. I'm out of here. What's up? What's up? Well, you turned to say peace? Hold on. You saluting me? I salute you. Turned all the way around, stuck your chest out, Woody. I salute. Hold on. Pause for me. Alright. Stick your chest out, Woody. Okay. I salute. You gonna pop one on wings out for me? That's asking too much, huh? I just want to see how you gonna zoom out through this shit, man. It's your long ass wings. You up there on point. What's up, Woody? Probably up there getting some rest, man. I'm gone, man. Done being paparazzi, man. Peace.